It's Friday, the 21st of June 2019. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure has moved to delayed opening this week to help with the daily maintenance and fine-tuning of the new ride. It's going to open at midday at Islands of Adventure until further notice. Disneyland is adding a reservation system for Savi's Workshop and Ogas Cantina at Galaxy's Edge for its public opening on June 24th. Disneyland have reversed a decision to add merchandise stands into the Main Street cinema after an online outrage about the move. Walt Disney World have announced that they're going to have annual pass previews for Galaxy's Edge and back that up with an increase to all of their annual passes across the board. The non-Florida resident annual pass has increased by more than 25%. Universal Hollywood have announced a new bar coming to their Jurassic World area of the park next to the revamped Jurassic Cafe. The bar will be called Isla Nubar and feature tropical cocktails. The Jurassic Cafe is going to reopen with a Costa Rican themed menu. And that's it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. We'll be back on Sunday with a ride POV reaction, but not the ride you're thinking of, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.